Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a little bit of a different angle, but it's actually not working because I wanted to show you my outfit. Yes, the outfit is kind of important, not really, but kind of goes with the idea that I have for this video. I do have an exciting video today for my ladies, or anybody who has boobs, right? And they want to show some cleavage, but their tatas are not the most perky, they're not the most lifted, and they have some weight to them. They sag a little bit. You understand what I'm saying? You guys know exactly where I'm coming from. I do have a solution for you today, and that is NUEBOO. I know that there's a lot of boob tapes in the market right now, and this is one of them, and I'm going to show you guys how to use them and tell you how I feel about it. This is the company NUEBOO. Confidence is sexy. I have worked with them before. If you guys have been here for a while and you've seen some of my previous videos, I have worked with them before, and this is what the tape looks like. It is not a complete tape that you rip. It's more of a boob tape that is already shaped as a boob. What I have here is called the Easy Lift Adhesive Bra, and that is because it's already shaped as a boob. It will just allow you to just lift up your boobies easily without having to rip anything, and it is retailing for $34.99. They do have 3 different sizes, so they have size small, medium, and large. The size small covers A and B cups, medium covers C and D cups, and the large one covers double D cups and plus. Double D's plus cup. They do have 3 different colors only. Have a black color, beige color, and then more of a crimson brown color. And they do bring 3 pairs in the pack. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it comes with, but get it out. 3 different packs. Well, pairs, if you want to say. It comes in this huge envelope. When I first got this in the mail, I was like, what is this? What is this? I don't think I ordered something this big, but I did. It's the NUEBOO tape. There's no measuring, no cutting, instant lift and cleavage, waterproof, super strong, and lasts 8 hours. We'll see how that goes. It does give you some instructions on how to put it on. So step 1, put on the nip covers. Step 2, peel off a little bit of the tape from the wider bottom part, so the bottom part. Attach to the boob, peel while smoothing onto skin, and then you just peel it as you're sticking onto the skin. Pull up and stick for a higher lift, pull towards each other and stick for more cleavage. So, as you guys see here, I have a top that shows a lot of my cleavage, and you can say it's a good thing, you can say it's a bad thing. One, okay, I do love this shirt, but every time I put it on, I can never wear a bra. And I want to wear a bra because I want some lift. I don't want this sagginess. I don't want this. You know, if you guys know West and East, these are my boobs. This is what happens. They go south also. They don't go together in the middle. So let's say you have this cute ass outfit on. You guys can't tell, but this is a cute ass outfit. I just put it together in seconds, a few seconds ago, and it looks amazing. But let's say you have this top on, and you're like, something's missing. Well, 1, my nipples are showing, first of all. And 2, this cleavage ain't it. This is not pulling the outfit together. This is just killing it. It's not doing what I want it to do. And sometimes this is a big turn off and deal breaker for me. Or you, if you're, you know, if you're wearing this outfit. But if you're like me, it is a deal breaker. So you want to do something about it. Or if you don't give a fuck, you don't give a fuck, and you just deal with it because you don't have the products that will help you go from this to better. So if you guys are looking for a product, I will be here and show you guys how to do it. And this is the first impression for me and you both. Me and you both, girl. It's not double stick, so it's not going to stick to your top. It's just going to stick to your skin. What you will do, how the instructions said, is that you will peel this bottom layer off. You will stick it in the bottom of your boob, and then you will peel the second one at the top and stick it on, lift it, and stick it on. First lift it and then stick it on. Don't do stick it then lift, because it's not gonna work. So you can't. Just give this a try. I'll be right back. This is the before. Again, peel this bottom layer, stick it to your boob, peel the second layer on the top, lift the adhesive, and then stick to your boob. It should give you more of a lift on your boobies. Make sure that you do wear something that will cover it all. This is pretty wide. I got the vanilla or beige. I don't really know what's it called, but I got the lightest color. Even for me, this is a little bit darker than I thought, but that's okay. And it's a little bit wider than I thought. I thought it was gonna be just a little bit more smaller, so it doesn't show out of any clothing, but I mean, let's see if this works. This is a progress right now. This one does have the adhesive, this one does not. This one does, this one does not. You see a difference here. It's beautiful. Look how saggy. Look how sad. Look how beautiful. It's not shaming every you know, boobs or anything, but if you want to tidy up a little bit, just a little, and you don't have any bras that complement this shirt, and you just can't find the right undergarment to fit the top that you have, or dress, these are perfect for that situation. I was surprised whenever I stretched the adhesive. It stretched really nicely. It's not as stiff as it looks whenever you have it there because it's stuck to another sticker. But whenever it's by itself, it does stretch a lot. It gives you the opportunity to really lift it up all the way if you need to, or not that much. It kind of thins out a little, and that's perfect. And look at it. Okay, let me do the other one. You're joking. You're joking. You're joking. I did place this one a little bit more down south, almost touching my rib cage, just to see the difference, to test it out, different methods. And I think this one does give me a little bit of more lift, or just more, because it is coming down from underneath. So what you can also do with this is kind of put it more together. If you do have a top that covers your chest area, it could give you more of a cleavage. If you don't have that, just lift it all the way up. You'll be fine. This is nice. Also, you want to make sure that your skin is dry from oils, clean. Cleanse the area just so it doesn't stick to any oils or anything like that. Tell me, what do you guys think? I feel spectacular. It was actually really easy to put on. Like, I'm not good with any of this stuff, but this was easy. This was amazing. This is exactly what I would wear. How I would wear this top when I do wear it again. Oh, 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 oh. This is her. These are them. Anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have coupon code down below. If you guys want to buy this, you do get 10% off using the code LisaErica10. And I hope you guys do, because this does save lives. This is amazing. This solves a lot of problems, and I hope you guys do take advantage of that. And of course, I'll see you guys in another video. Ew, that was cringy. I'll see you guys in another video.